Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to do question number 8. So let us start with the first part. A cuboid has length L centimeters, width W centimeters and height H centimeters. The diagram shows the net of this cuboid. Find the value of L, W, value of W and H. So as you can see, this is L. So this will be L, this will be L, this is L, this is L and this is L. This value is H. So this is H. This is H, this is H, and as you can see, once I fold them, since this is given to be W, this is W, this is W, so we need the length of these two sides. So if you can see, this is L and H, this is W and L, this is W and L, this is L and H, so this will be W and H. So this is H, this is H, this is H and this is H. Okay, so that is the overall net. So what can we see now? From the figure we can note that L plus H plus L plus H, that is equal to 2L plus 2H, is nothing but 37.8 centimeters, and also this width H plus W plus H, that is 2H plus W, is equal to 20.1 centimeters. Given W is to L is equal to 1 is to 2, and from here I can write, so therefore L is equal to 2W. And now what I'll do is I'll just substitute this in this case. So substitute it in this one. So therefore from 2 I get that W is equal to 20.1 minus 2H, and again 2L plus 2H is nothing but 2 into 2W plus 2H, which is equal to 4W plus 2H. This is equal to 37.8, and so just substitute W is equal to 20.1 minus 2H, or this is equation 3, this is equation 2, this is equation 1. Now I have two equations in W and H, so equation 3 minus equation 2, 4W plus 2H minus 2H plus W will give you 3W, is equal to 37.8 minus 20.1, which is 17.7 centimeters. So therefore W is equal to 17.7 by 3, which is 5.9 centimeters. So that is the width. W is 5.9 centimeters. That's it. The problem is finished. Now just once I know the value of W, I can easily calculate all the other values. So since the W is 5.9 centimeters, L will be equal to 2W, which is nothing but 11.8 centimeters, and 2H would be equal to 20.1 minus 5.9, which is nothing but 14.2 centimeters. So H is equal to 7.1 centimeters, and this finishes the question. So the answer is L is equal to 11.8 centimeters, W is equal to 5.9 centimeters, and H is equal to 7.1 centimeters. So before doing this question, you should know how to create that net, right? So if you see the net, there will be six rectangles. Two of them will have L and H as their sides, two of them will have W and L, and two of them will have W and H as their sides. Based on this concept, I could clearly see which one is which. Okay, so let us go to the B part. Part B. So they have given a solid pyramid with rectangular base ABC. E is vertically above D. Angle EDC is equal to angle EDA is equal to 90 degrees. AB is equal to 18, BC is equal to 15 and EC is equal to 24 centimeters. The pyramid is made of wood and has a mass of 800 grams. Calculate the density of the wood. So, volume of the pyramid would be equal to 1/3 into base area into height. So, first of all, we need to calculate the height. And how can you do that? We can use triangle EDC. In triangle EDC, since angle D is equal to 90 degrees, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So this is 18 centimeters and this is 24 centimeters. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ADC, what I can say is EDC, sorry, it's not ADC, it is EDC. ED square is equal to EC square minus CD square. In triangle EDC, EC square is equal to ED square minus ED square is equal to EC square minus ED square. Okay. ED square is equal to EC square minus CD square. See, this is Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, ED will be equal to square root of 24 square minus 18 square, and this would be equal to, so if I take 6 common out, and it will be 16 minus 9, and so 6 root 7 centimeters, and this value is equal to 15.874507 and so on in centimeters. Okay, now we know the height, and so we know the base area is equal to 15 into 18 centimeters, which is 270 centimeters square. So therefore volume is equal to 1 by 3 into 270 into 6 root 7 in centimeter cube. This is the base area and this is the height. So 1 by 3 into 270 into 6 root 7, its value would be equal to 1428.70570 and so on. Okay, so now I have calculated the volume. Now I want the density. So mass is 800 grams. So you need to calculate the density. So it is given that mass is equal to 800 grams. So the density is equal to mass by volume, which is equal to 800 by 1428.70570.797 and so on. And if I calculate this value, it will come out to be 0.55994736 and so on. So if I cut it to 3 terms, then this would be equal to 0.560 to 3 significant figures, because 9 is greater than 5, it will be 0.560, and so it is in gram per centimeter cube. If you don't mention that unit, I think you'll get 1 mark less. Okay. So the last question. Calculate the angle between BE and the base of pyramid. So what do we know here? We know that this is the base ABCD, and we know this height ED. So what can we say? We can say that in this triangle, in triangle EDB, tan of angle EBD will be equal to the opposite side, which is ED divided by BD. So therefore, now ED we already calculated. ED we already calculated just before. ED is equal to 15.874507 so on, which is nothing but 6 root 7 centimeters. Now let us calculate BD. So BD would be equal to square root of 15 square plus 18 square. So if I take 3 common out, it will be 25 plus 36, which is 3 root 61 in centimeter. And so tan angle EBD will be equal to ED, which is 6 root 7 divided by 3 root 61. And so if I calculate this value, that implies angle EBD is equal to tan inverse 6 root 7 divided by 3 root 61, and its value will be equal to 34.117934 degrees. And so the correct answer is 34.12 degrees. If I cut it to 2 decimal points, 34.12, because 7 is greater than 5, 1 will become 2, 34.12 degrees. This completes this question. Let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best. Thank you.